Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's a much better experience to see The Accountant 2 in a theater with an audience.
Ray King has been murdered. Do you like puzzles, Mr. Wolf?
There will be unbelievable action.
Even higher stakes than the first one. Was your brother up to speed on the case?
A Fed, huh?
You got to make the sequel bigger and badder. One of the things that made this movie more appealing is the brother relationship.
Let me do the talking.
And we want to bring that sense of humor to this one.
Guess I hit him harder than I thought.
I think it checks a lot of boxes. It's action and drama and humor and fun.
Can you be in Los Angeles, California in 24 hours?
Bye.
Braxton?
It's very engaging.
I work for a government agency.
You don't want to look away.
I don't torture people.
You didn't.
That's something you do in a theater.
I shouldn't kill all those people.
How do you know that? No.
You often confess to capital murder?
I actually didn't say anything.
Računovodja 2, samo v kinu.